Stop.
Okay, now they're starting finally.
Guys, fireworks.
Here,
You want to sit on my lap?
Mikey.
Ray. Ray.
They're finally starting.
Sit on my
Ray,
back.
sit here.
No, the blanket, not your blanket. Sorry.
Sit here, Ray.
Hey, be easy, okay?
Raylan, come here.
Say thank you.
No. Call her name again.
Ray.
Ray.
Come here, please.
Ray.
Ray, come here, please. You sit on my lap?
Sit on his lap.
Nope.
No, stop, Jace.
Come sit on my
Stop.
lap.
Look at
I'm recording it.
Why?
Because it's cool.
Why is recording it?
Because I want to. Jace, stop.
Open that.
What are you doing? I am. But he's doing it on his phone.
Because I'm going to put on Facebook.
Record it.
For me?
I'm recording. Oh. Cece.
Those directions. You did.
Cece, stop. No, Cece, I'm actually trying to do this.
Otherwise, we could get. But when they're that far away, we're safe. For me? Thank you. A sucker?
Here's mine. Look. Hey, look.
It's okay, it's empty.
Well, it's going to stand up.
Phoenix? She went to go sit with her mom because she was too loud.
Why?
She thought it was too loud.
Why not a dinosaur? I spit on you.
You're gonna fit in your mouth?
I'm gonna dump it in my mouth.
Okay.
You teach him to
We sit that.
right here.
Okay.
This out.
What?
This out. Hey, you done.
You want me to eat them?
Yes. Go all at it. She's sitting on my leg.
She's sitting on your leg. You want me to eat it all?
Yeah. Yeah. I got a wallet. You're gonna open these are wet. Now here, put Ian over. Yeah.
What are these?
Why does it smell like nerds?
Snack. The snack. And the There we go. Yo,
Why, thank you.
you're welcome. This time is very yummy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I was in your hand. Nope, I think I did it. Can you help me open this? I'll get something for you.
Here you go.
Are you done? What's your food? Yes. No.
Thank you. Why is it already open? Austin, did this say to eat? Yeah.
You can sit on my other leg. No, you put that in your mouth. There you go. Oh, that one's pretty. Those are for me.
One person is one plate.
I'm washing his love. For once.
You like the fireworks?
Yeah. Here's this for you. Even everything for you. Yeah.
I don't want any more. Thank you, guys.
What is this?
Austin's full.
Now who's that?
Really?
There's a water shot. There's a water shot.
Hi, Sam.
Most fireworks glow in the dark.
Hey, guys, it's a cat. It's a cat.
The trash.
Austin. Mini Uzi.
What?
We're gonna do it.
But then I won't be able to see.
Austin, Mini Uzi. God.
Oh, on my belly.
Yeah, now we're gonna be able to see it.
She's fine.
There you go, Ray.
Right.
Okay. Hey, Ray. You want to come sit on my lap? Okay.
I see.
What's these stories?
Look. See, watch. Watch them shoot it off if they shoot it. See?
I blow up now. Wow, how do you do that?
Magic. Do you believe in magic?
Oh, no.
That's magic. Austin, look what somebody just put on YouTube. Fireworks.
She's grabbing the sucker. Chill.
I almost missed a good shot. You bastard. Huh?
Yep. 'Cause everyone likes to watch fireworks on YouTube.
You know, there's kids in foreign countries that can't afford the stuff. There's kids around the
They
world.
can't afford fireworks. They can't afford a phone.
I'm pretty sure their parents have like a computer that they can
You
watch on.
launched them all. We should have him launch them all.
Austin will be the first one to watch it.
No, you will launch.
I'll watch it. I'm recording it, buddy. Austin will be the first one to watch it. He promises. Austin said he promises he'll be the first one to watch it. He'll let you know when he watches it.
Shut up. Don't stop.
So wrong.
These fireworks are brighter than my future.
They're brighter than all of ours. Especially Eli's. Oh God. I feel like I'm at Walt Disney World all over again. The Magic Kingdom Horizons.